Hi everybody. Lolly the Parrot and I are coming to you today from beautiful Costa Rica. We have something we want to talk to you about. Something that's starting to become important to us. So hold on to your hats, stay tuned, and we'll get right into it. Some of you more keen-eyed viewers may notice that the quality of this video is a little off. Well, I lost my iPhone. And when I say I lost it, I mean it is lost. It's not even shown up online since it disappeared. I feel like it may have been stolen while Michelle was in La Fortuna the other day. That was my only decent way of making videos. It was an old iPhone and it didn't do well in low light, as you can tell from the last video that I made about the curcuma, the turmeric. I filmed that inside and it was really grainy and it lost a lot of detail, but it was all I had and it did good outside, took some good pictures. That's gone. And guess what? I can't afford to replace it right now. We've got the bus repairs, thousands upon thousands of dollars on that. We're trying to buy land. It's just the worst possible time for me to try to come up with money. I would like to have a GoPro Hero 10. It's waterproof. It's got some of the more modern features. It's almost idiot proof, and I kind of need that. Even a 9 or an 8, but every one of those, that's way more than I can buy right now. The reason I'm talking about all of this because it ties into what I want to talk to you about in this video. Did you know that there is a way to support your favorite YouTube creators without having to spend any money? You don't have to donate. You don't have to pay for a subscription to a thing or anything you don't have to buy anything. You just watch the videos. But there's a way to watch them that YouTube likes, that the algorithms pick up on, and that can turn into real money for the creator to buy better equipment, to produce better videos, and to just bring more value to the content we put here on YouTube. First of all, we need you to watch the videos all the way to the end. Don't stop in the middle. If you don't think that video is for you, if you lose interest, let it play. Mute it if you have to. Just let it play to the end. Get up, go fix a glass of tea, cup of coffee, whatever. Let it play to the end. Those algorithms know. And videos that aren't watched don't rank as high in the suggestions. So let those videos play. Let the ads play. Some ads you don't get a choice about. Like some of the pre-roll ads. You just have to sit through them. Some of the ads you can skip. Don't skip them. Watch at least 30 seconds of them, please. Because if you don't, and that content creator is monetized, they don't get any money for ads that are skipped. So, again, use the time to go get a glass of tea, cup of coffee, use the little girl's room, little boy's room, whatever you need to do. Let the ad play. I don't click on the little banner ads that come up across the bottom of the screen. Even I don't do that. Unless it's something that interests me, and then I will. But at least let the skippable ads play, or some of them, let them play. There's also a premium YouTube plan where you pay per month, and you don't typically see any ads with that. Well, your content creators do get paid for that. They get paid per view. So that's a really good deal. If you have that, don't worry about it. You're doing them a favor just by watching to the end, watch the whole video. If you like a content creator and you like what they do and their uploads have value and help you in some way or make you feel good or you enjoy them, engage, please. For the love of God and all things holy, don't just ghost them. Give the video a like. Subscribe. And once you subscribe, you get a little bell icon that you can select notifications, all notifications. Click that and you'll start getting notifications from YouTube when that person uploads a new video. Once again, the algorithms are watching and they know these things. YouTube doesn't care that you just watched it. They want to know that you liked it enough to interact with it, to engage with it. So do those things. These methods don't cost you a dime. You don't have to spend a dime on any of it. It's not a money thing. YouTube is making the money. They're getting paid from the advertisers who are putting their product placement there and their ads in front of you. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry for YouTube, this ad thing, and they share it with their content creators, which is unlike any other social media platform out there. So the onus is not on you to support your favorite content creator with money. YouTube will do that. They will pay, and they pay well, for content that is engaged with and watched, and it starts to rise up in the suggestions and the rankings. They pay. If you want to support your content creators that you enjoy, engage with their videos, please. All of these little tips and tricks that I've shared with you today are surefire ways to help give your favorite content creators a little boost, and I can guarantee you it'll be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our journey here in Costa Rica, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we upload new content. By all means, talk to us in the comments. We love hearing from you.